PEP stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether PepsiCo stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this very short 1 minute video. I want to be perfectly clear and mention that even 5% correction, all I'm looking to further do is zoom out and just understand the bigger picture. I'm aware that most of the tickers are going to be down and whatnot. And this is also melting. I would say that currently, yeah, we're in a bearish range, but that is perfectly normal. The only thing that I will kind of change on that is if I see breaks above 144, which is really not that far from 135. Decent amount, but it's not really not that far out of reach. All I'm going to say though, like in this current time period, this is textbook bearish range. So I'm not just going to say that I'm going to randomly buy. No, trying to be realistic here. The likelihood that the price just keeps melting is high. And maybe there's money to be made there. So I will keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.